was surprised. It was very cold. It was have sunshine early morning, but after couple hours, it's become very cold and gloomy. Now, I see what it is. Look at this, guys. Hailstorm. See? See, guys, it's a hailstorm. Yung parang malalaking salt rock. Oh, ayan, oh, dami, oh. Grabe, oh. Yikes. Hindi siya pinong snow. Yung hailstorm talaga siya, oh. Grabe ang ano ngayon, oh. Ang lalaki, oh, parang mga bato. Sa Bicol ba, Batiris. Ayun, dami na, oh. Ay. Very late ang ano namin, ang snow hailstorm. Alamig, oh. Ayan, oh. Puti na yung mga bubungan, oh. Ayan, oh. Yung bubong, oh, puti na dahil sa hailstorm snow. So, dahil malamig at nag-hailstorm, ito ang pagkain ni Inday. So, tamad si Inday lumabas kasi malamig. Ito na. Yan ang pagkain ni Inday. Wild quinoa with cloves, cinnamon, and turmeric. Kaya madilaw ang kulay niya. Ayan yung ano, oh, yung cinnamon, oh, yan. 2 stick of cinnamon. And then, para maging healthy, no pride. Ayan, inobin ko yung tuyo. So, and it's very crispy, guys. At ito yung aking pork spring roll na naka-oven din. So, 200 degrees Fahrenheit lang yan, guys. Oh. Para ano kasarap ang tuyo na naka-oven, oh. It's so crispy. Yummy. At hindi pa siya nasusunog. It doesn't get burned because it's only 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Ayan. 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Sarap. Pwede kong papakin lang tong ano, tuyo eh. Grabe, sarap. Lumalakas gay ang hailstorm. Ayun, no? Malakas na ang hailstorm. Oh. Dami na. So, hindi ko na-expect mag-hailstorm, kaya pala ang lamig-lamig. Super. Sarap. Sarap kumain ng tuyo. Tapos may gulay pa ako. Ay, hindi pala gulay. I still have root crops from the other day. Beets and carrots. So, boil lang siya. Boil ko lang siya na kunting-kunti lang yung tubig. Sarap ng ano? ng aking dilis, oh. Thank you sa nagbigay. Grabe, very crispy. Pag naka-oven, guys, ang tuyo, the best. Healthy na siya kasi hindi ka nagagamit ng mantika. So, you save the money for buying oil. And magiging healthy ka pa kasi ang mantika kapag niluto mo ay nagiging toxic, nagiging lason sa katawan, nagiging cause ng high cholesterol. So, let's check it out. Our spring roll. Here you go. Now, it's really cooked. Oh, guys, oh, ayan. At very crispy siya, oh. Diba? Sama na natin siya dun sa tuyo. Ayan. Ayan. 6 na piraso ang lunch ni Inday. So, breakfast lunch ang mangyayari nito, guys. Breakfast lunch. So, we call it brunch. Ayan, oh. So, ayan na ang ating pagkain, oh, diba? And it's all 12:32 in the afternoon now. Ayan. So, diba? Oh, lutong salad master, guys. Oh, this is my yummy and healthy brunch or breakfast in lunch. So, ayan, no, diba? Beets saka carrots. Yung iba nito, kinain ko na yan. Hindi po yan sunog, ha? Naging maitim lang po yung kulay niya. It's become dark color. It's become black color because of beets So, I boil it only. So, this is my yummy food, guys. Bon appetit. So, we try already the oven dried fish. It was so crispy, and I'm gonna still show you guys. Grabe ka, sarap talaga ang dilis, oh. Yummy, yummy. Tapos ito naman. So, the dried fish, it's not salty. It's like natural dried from the ocean. So, that's why I don't need any sausawan. So, ito naman. Oven, not fried, kasi to avoid high cholesterol in our body. And I oven it for, I think, 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. Sarap. Diba? Wala siyang mantika, guys. And it's very healthy. Kasi, we didn't fry. Deep fried, it makes toxic the food. So, if you can do it oven, just oven it. And plus, all of this salad master, cooking. Diba? Grabe sarap, oh. Yummy, yummy. Kain tayo, guys. Mas gusto ko pa magpapak. Natuto lang. Siyempre, our body need fibers. And there's this one, it's a very good source of fibers. And it's a very good substitute for the white rice. Grabe, ang sarap, guys, oh. Super yummy ng aking roasted spring rolls. O, diba? Ayan ang ating brunch for today. Wednesday. Oh, no. Sorry, guys. Thursday. And last Thursday of March. Yan, o, diba? Kasarap-sarap ng aking pagkain ngayon. Very healthy. Walang pride. No pride at all. Let's start the eat to eat. Ay, ang ganda, oh. Tumigas yung ano. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo naman yung cinnamon, oh. So, this, to be healthy, guys, you know, if you have a high blood sugar, but I don't have a high blood sugar for sure, guys. So, para ma-relax habang kumakain, to make a relaxation while you are eating, I add a lemongrass. Sarap. Sarap sip-sipin. I like it. It's for relaxation, the lemongrass, and to make it smells nice. See, guys? It smells so good. So, there's a turmeric on it. Turmeric, cloves, cinnamon, and lemongrass. Diba? Para healthy tayo. At syempre, ito na ang ating ulam. Oh, ayan. At ang ating tuyo, ayan, o, diba? Kasarap yan, o. Sana may matira pa. I wish I still have for tomorrow. Sarap, o. That's it, guys. Yummy. At syempre, root crops. More on fibers, carrots, lycopene. Diba? Ayan, no? So, I haven't do groceries, guys, since I came back from vacation because I wanna finish everything in the fridge. And I still have a lot of food in the freezer that I have to be cooked. It has to be cooked. So, bon appetit! Sarap-sarap ng aking pagkain brunch. So, diba? Probinsyang-probinsya. You feel like you are in the Philippines, in the province. Right? Grabe, ang sarap, oh. At syempre, before I forgot, black pepper. for easy absorption of nutrients of carrots and beets and also the grains, the cloves that I add on it, the herbs. That's how I do cooking, guys. To be healthy is cook like this. So you're gonna be healthy. Even I always have lacking of sleep. Last night I only have 4 hours sleep because I fall asleep like 3 a.m. already and I was awake at 7. So, but look at my face. So, diba? Hindi halata na kula. It's not, I don't look like that I'm lacking of sleep, that I only have 4 hours sleep, diba? O, hindi halata. Ganyan kaganda. This is how the effect of my natural ingredients that I'm making soup, making the sabon and my face moisturizer, natural, everything natural. So, yan na siya. Di ba? Tingnan nyo naman ang mukha ko kung gaano ka-natural. Well, I haven't washed my face, guys. Wala pang hilamos at wala akong nilagay dyan. Nag-lipstick lang ako. Yung una ko nga kanina pag video, wala pang lipstick eh. Ngayon lang nag-video ako para at least buhay na buhay, di ba? Lipstick lang ako, guys. I don't use any makeup, any pampaganda, any for beauty products. It's on my skincare that I make my own by myself. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. God bless us all, guys. God bless you. I feel like my food is not complete, the taste. So, what I did ayan siya, oh. Lalagyan natin siya lime or lemon para maging masarap. Ganyan ako, guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Yan na yung pinakang sausawan ko. So, it's like my sausawan. But, what I did is, I pour it to the food. So, that's a vitamin C, guys. Natural vitamin C. Lemon or lime or calamansi in the Pinas, in the Philippines. So, di ba? Ganda ng aking oh. Oh, ayan, tumutulo pa siya. Ganda ng aking So, ganyan ako, guys, pag kumain. Gusto ko maasim-asim. Ayoko ng mga ketchup. I don't want the factory-made sauce. I like the natural sauce sour. Siyempre, guys, after eating my lunch or breakfast or brunch, I got a package from Amazon. I think this is my order to complete the ingredients of my making salve for skin allergy or skin itchiness or eczema, not a cure. Oh, so this is different. It's not the order I expected. So this is a vegetable glycerin that I'm gonna use for soup making. But I was thinking it was the oil that I'm gonna use for skin salve for baby. So different one. That's why it's heavy. So yeah, I was waiting for that, the tamano oil, to complete my ingredients. So but it different, the one that it came. But this is my order as well. I have like more or less 10 kinds of orders. So they come one by one, guys, not at the same time. So yeah. So now it's stopped already the hailstorm. It's become rain. I'm gonna show you outside, and the sunshine already is coming up. So this is now, it's melting already the hailstorm or snow, whatever. It's a hailstorm, guy, but it's like a snow. Yan. So it's melted already.